Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a very special and traditional coconut halwa recipe. It's easy to make at home and a perfect healthy dessert for the whole family. So let's quickly dive into the recipe. To make coconut halwa, first I'm crushing about 10 to 12 cardamoms to make a fresh cardamom powder. And for that I have added the cardamoms into my stone grinder and I'm just crushing it. And once the cardamoms are crushed, just remove the skin. The flavor of freshly ground cardamoms is amazing in this recipe, so try not to skip it. And once the seeds are removed, powder them finely. And once powdered, keep this aside. Next, I am roughly chopping a handful of cashew nuts, or about 10 to 12 cashew nuts. I'm just roughly chopping it. And once roughly chopped, keep the cashew nuts aside. Next, I'm roughly chopping about 10 to 12 almonds. Now, instead of cashew nuts and almonds, you can use any nut of your choice, like maybe walnuts or pistachios. Any nut of your choice which is available at hand. Even peanuts works well. Keep this aside. I'm also using 2 tablespoons of golden raisins. So these are the dry fruits I'm using in this recipe. So I'm going to keep this aside. This is 1 whole freshly grated coconut. So I'm going to measure 2 cups of grated coconut, 2 cups of tightly packed grated coconut. This is freshly grated coconut which I've packed tightly into the cup. And I'm adding it into my blender jar. So this is the second cup which I measured, and as you can see I have used the whole of the coconut which I had grated. This was 1 medium sized coconut. I'm adding it into the blender jar. I'm adding in 1 cup of crushed jaggery. This is organic jaggery. It does not have any sand or dust particle. So I'm adding the jaggery directly into the blender. So what I did was I just crushed the jaggery into small pieces and packed it tightly into the cup. So this is 1 cup of tightly packed jaggery. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 cup water. And I'm going to blend this. Jaggery and coconut are nicely mixed, as you can see. Heat a wide heavy bottomed kadai with 1 tablespoon desi ghee. And once the ghee is heated, add in the chopped nuts. Give it a stir and lightly roast the nuts. And once the nuts are roasted, remove to a plate. Next, add in the raisins. Give it a stir, and once the raisins pops up, remove to a plate. And once the raisins pops up, remove to the plate. And now I'm going to keep this aside. Into the pan, add in the ground coconut and jaggery. And give it a mix. You need to roast it on medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's about 5 minutes now. Just need to keep on stirring it. You need to stir it on and off so that you can make sure that it does not get burned or get stick to the bottom of the pan. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks. The jaggery has melted. Spread it out so that the coconut gets lightly fried along with the jaggery. And another 5 minutes later, this is how it looks. So at this stage, I'm going to add in some desi ghee. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons desi ghee. Give it a mix. And 15 minutes later, this is how it looks, and it has started to gather into a ball. So when you stir it, it forms into a ball and it does not stick also. You can see that oil has started releasing out. At this stage, I'm going to add in the roasted nuts and raisins. I'm keeping aside a little to garnish. And give this a mix. Add in the freshly ground cardamom powder. Give this a mix. So at this stage, I am going to turn off the flame. I've turned off the flame and allow the halwa to cool down, and then it's ready to serve. Garnish with roasted nuts and raisins. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know which is your favorite halwa in the comments. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.